Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to add first best ticket to Apple Wallet. Are you having trouble adding your first best ticket to Apple Wallet? Don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. As you all know, you can't add any external cards or tickets directly from the Apple Wallet other than debit or credit card, transit card, driver's license or state ID. Just follow these steps to add your first best ticket to Apple Wallet. Open your First Best app. Go to My Tickets. If you already have an account, you can sign in, or else you can buy a ticket. Click on the type of ticket you want. Select it. Now, click on Go to Checkout. After doing this, proceed with the payment. Once you have proceeded with your payment, you'll be able to see your ticket. Once you have bought that ticket, you will see an option which says Add to Apple Wallet. Click on it and your first best ticket will be successfully added to your Apple Wallet.